Hello, welcome back guys again to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to make your LinkedIn profile private. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open your LinkedIn. Here I'm going to open my LinkedIn app and now go to your account icon here at the top left. And after at the bottom we'll see the settings. Just go ahead. And now in the settings, we'll see the option which is visibility. Okay, just go ahead and tap on it. If you want to make your account, your LinkedIn account private, you just have to choose this option which is edit your public profile. Just go ahead and tap on it. And after in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find here the option which is profiles public visibility. So you just have to turn it off. Here I'm gonna turn it off the button. So if it is turned off, your account on LinkedIn is already as a private account, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.